In front of me is IGET Smart L203, and let me show you how to activate spell checker in this device. So at first just open the settings, then go to System, and now reach Languages and Input. Then select Virtual Keyboard right here, and go to Gboard as this is our default keyboard. Go to Text Correction then, and here you can personalize it, and as only you want to activate autocorrection, just make sure that this switcher is on. And that would be all. This is it. This is how you can activate text correction. From now on your words will be corrected while typing, and obviously if you'd like to turn off this option, just unmark the switcher, but I think it's super useful, so I will leave it this way. And this is it. That would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.